Good morning. For today's project, we're going to take the chicken coop. It's a chicken coop. And we're going to put the chicken coop over here. So I got some work to do. We're going to take the chicken coop and we're going to pull it backwards. And then we're going to bring it around here and turn it right over here and put it right over here. It's no longer going to be a chicken coop. It's going to be a potting shed. That'll be kind of cool, right? So let's get started. So here's what I got so far. I jacked up this end of the building and then put some braces underneath there. And I'm going to slide these 4x4s underneath here. And hopefully I can just pull it. At least to get it out of this hole. I had to dig a hole here because I can't get in this end here because it had sunk down so much into the soil. So I'm hoping to get in this corner and just lift it up, put a board under it, and do the same thing on the other side. Now I'll clean all this off and shove some boards underneath there. I think the reason this is bent is from the last time we moved it. It used to be out here. And we pulled it here, and I bet you that ruined this back piece here. That's right, we'll be fine. Now you wonder why I didn't just put my tractor underneath here and jack it up. Baby. She said no, ain't happening. Let's see what we got. Nice. All right. Had to come from the end because this is kind of like, I don't know, freestanding. I don't know. We'll see. All right, one more side. It's pretty stiff because this is off the ground here. And I think I learned a lesson. Instead of coming in this way, I'll come in this way. And I won't have to shore it up because the jack will hold it up just so I can get the 4x4s underneath there. Hopefully. It's going at really easy. Maybe because it's balancing on 3. Here's what we're looking for right here. This thing right here. And I'll let her down and get another bite. With some pieces in there for spacers. We'll see. Nice. Oh, not enough room for a 4x4 yet. I'm just looking for enough to get a 4x4 underneath there. I think we got her. A little bit more. A little bit more. More's always better, right? All right. Let's see what we got. Come through? Yes. All right. Couple more. All right. I think we got her. Now, Bevy is no way gonna pull this. We're gonna hook a chain. Whoever designed this did a good job. We're gonna hook a chain to that hole and to that hole, and we're gonna hook it to Big Red if she starts. All right, Big Red. I need you now. Feel. Come on, baby. Purrs like a kitten. Bevy has these turf tires, and she'll slip. She's got the power, she just will slip. But Big Red has these in really low first gear. All right, she's doing it. The only thing, I think it'll pull right across the ground on these rails without the use of 4x4s. But man, if it doesn't work, then I have to jack it all up again. All right, change of plans. I was gonna back it up here, then hook on the other side and go through there. But Val had a great idea. Why don't we pull it out here? Let me show you. Pull it out here and then hook it to the other side and pull it straight, because then we won't have to make that turn over there. Let's see what we got. And also, we're gonna try pulling it right in the grass. We're not gonna use the 4x4s. I think with those I-beams down there, it should slide pretty good. right. There we are. Permanent home. How long do you think these tracks will stay here? You know what I think? You know what saved us? The rain last night. Made this slippery. It looks pretty level too, right? I guess we really don't have a choice. We really don't have a choice. So, looks good. Imagine a roof and like a porch right here. Change that door. Make it into a screen door. We'll get new of these. We're going to cut these windows in half so we can have a bench inside. That's it. Where'd you go?
Right here.
Oh, I thought I was chasing you around. Good girl. Good girl. You know what? See all this? That's Bubba. A horse did all this. Look at this. That was his teeth. Because he saw his reflection. So this is the chicken coop. So what we're gonna do is take this wall out. I'm gonna put these things here on this back wall. And then we can store stuff in them, like shelving.
Oh, you can show all sorts of little goodies in there.
Sure, sure. And then we're gonna delete these windows, not delete them, but we're gonna just make them top windows.
We're gonna delete the
Yeah,
bottom.
delete the bottom ones. And put a shelf right here. So we can do gardening stuff, potting stuff, or whatever. And just tools and maybe some shelving or something.
You know what though? If we use this while we're not having chickens, we could actually put lots of things in here.
Yeah, absolutely.
Hey. We should put no hole.
For what?
Air circulation.
No, here in the ceiling, air circulation. I have it all set up and ready to go.
That's right.
Solar. Solar.
Okay.
And then it'll blow out these.
That looks nice.
Yeah. See, I made a hole here a long time ago to run electric. Never did it though. This will be nice, right?
Very nice.
Then we'll put the TV in the back right there. And a bar. And then we're gonna put a deck on here. It's gonna come from like here. Here, let's close this. This door, I said this door gets changed. Gets put like, we'll get a screen door. And we'll put a little deck on here with a pole right about here. And a pole right about here. With an arched ceiling. And that'll be our hangout. We'll get 2 rocking chairs out here. There you go.
Sit on the porch.
More projects to come. First thing, paint. Replace the thing and paint the inside. Yeah.
Clean it out. Clean it out.
Hi. Don't take a picture of yourself in the window.
Oh, that's right. Good thinking. The pole.
Let's see that thing stuck in
Yeah. Hold still. Let's see.
Do I need to put that window on first?
Uh-oh. I can't turn that way.
Should we put the window windmill on first?
That's up to you. I mean, I can put it up there to you. Yeah.
Oh, I see what you're saying, yeah.
Right? Okay. You're getting very brave with your height issue here.
No.
I'm impressed.
Well, all you have to do is make sure this is straight.
What's that little hook for?
We had electricity. We had it running up in the air from the running.
Oh, when Bubba, yeah,
Bubba would
yeah.
bite it.
Yeah.
So the horse would chew the wires.
All the things we did for our animals, right? I loved them, but they're kind of messy. They're kind of messy. I don't have a very good...
Do what?
Nothing.
I'm gonna just drill hit you in the head.
Oh, no. Because I hate to tell you, but it'll hit your camera first.
Ah,
Sorry.
that's really not gonna work. I'm thinking that's gonna stick really good. What I need from you is to make sure that's level.
You mean going down straight?
Yeah, watch the camera what you're doing.
Well, I know. I couldn't.
Oh,
Oh.
right? Oh, your straightness looks really good. Well, the bottom needs to go that way if you want to line it up with this line.
But see, I don't know if this is straight. It's,
All right, then leave it.
well, I'll stand back. Okay.
Straight. I'd put it straight with it anyway.
Okay, just because.
Well, now it's got no oil on it. No, it does.
Here, I've got some on my hand.
No, bring me some windmill. Pay attention to what you're doing with the camera. I don't want to be editing for 20 minutes.
Well, you're going to be, so. There's going to be a lot of looking at the...
You bit the toe.
No, his toe was bent when he came out.
All right.
Now be careful. Careful.
Careful.
Hang on to the pole.
I got it.
You can drop everything else.
I'm pretty comfortable.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. Just a minute.
Plus, it'll make for good footage if I fall.
Yeah, that actually... Ow! What about if I fall?
Ready?
Yep. Ta-da! And it's back!
She's back.
Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Thank you, Papa.
Look. Does it look like a chicken?
Yes. There she is. Lackey. Maybe if I...
He shed is on the way.
The he shed is
That
on.
looks pretty straight.
Yeah. All right then. Looks good. Good job.
Hey, there's enough. High
Okay.
five.
Okay. Greasy hand.
Greasy hands.
Nice job. Ooh, finger in the picture.